How to enable priority notification on Android. Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want important notification to appear first on Android phone, enabling priority notification is the best way. Follow these steps until the end to do it. First, you need to open up settings. Once you open settings up, you need to go to your notification settings. From notifications, you need to go ahead and tap on app notification to see all installed apps. Once you are here, all you have to do is select the app you want. Let's just go ahead and select a messaging app. For example, I'll just do Instagram for now. And then from there, you want to go ahead and select the app notification and then tap the notification categories option. Once that is done, you can set the notification priority. Tap the notification category and select, let's say, messages, for example. Then you can make sure that you select alert or set the priority to high, and you should be good to go. You can also turn on the vibrate to get notified right away, and also enable pop-up message on screen as well. So once that is done, make sure that your do not disturb, uh, even when you are on do not disturb mode, your notification priority is allowed. So for that, you can go to notifications, do not disturb, and then go to app notifications, add apps, allow apps to send notification here. I'll just do Instagram, tap on done, and it'll be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.